Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas. We're here in Central Park. Let's check it out. Here in Central Park, all the plants, all the flowers, all the trees, all the plants, these are all real. These are not plastic, these are not fake, these are all real plants. And even a real chessboard. On the right side is 150 Central Park, a specialty restaurant, and on the left is the rising tide. It's called this because the tide actually rises here from deck 8 all the way down to deck 5. Over on this side, this is Chop's Grill. This is a steakhouse. Wonderful place to eat. Are you a duck hunter? Because this is a wonderful place to search for ducks. Or the occasional hippo. Many people hide and some seek rubber ducks on cruise ships. And Central Park is a great place to look for ducks. Off to our right side is Azumi in the Park. This is a relatively new concept where they put Azumi here in Central Park. If you haven't tried it already, you must do so. Azumi is fantastic. We got a rhino hanging out here. And yeah, Central Park. It's one of the great places to hang out here in Central Park. Got this chrome monkey thing here. You never know what you'll see here in Central Park. Some of us have live entertainment here. And here you go, in case you forgot where you were. Off to our right side is Park Cafe. It's a complimentary place to eat. Got this bridge here. And way up there, a giant jumbotron there. And a giraffe.
The one upstairs is serving? Okay.
And here we are back at Chop's Grill. And yeah, this is me, Mystery Shadow 1969, on Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas here at Central Park. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.